Okay, so Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. Uh, I think the last session we have completed the first chapter, and in the last topic was interaction styles. We have seen number of various interaction styles from which we can have interaction with the machine. Okay, it can be with the command line, it can be with the simple question and answer, dialogue delivery, dialogue query dialogue, or many other various interaction styles are there. Okay, we have seen different terms for interaction like paradigm, then interaction styles okay, interaction with different interaction के related जो जो topic थे तो हमने देखा आपने देखा होगा थोड़ा सा उसको हमने highlight किया. Okay, so in this particular lecture, in this particular session, we're going to start with the next topic, next chapter, because we are getting too much late for the second chapter, and we have almost invested around 13 lectures because it carries around 15% of the syllabus. Okay, as I've already showed you, so these are the list of chapters. The first one we have covered is foundation of HMI. Now we're going to move towards the second chapter, that is design and software process. So we have two sections in this particular chapter. One is the design. Okay, the topics which are there related to the design. Okay, the design, then design constraint. What are the common mistakes which happens and which do or which is being done by the developers and the designer. Okay, and then the second part is regarding the software process. Sorry. The second part is regarding the software process. Okay, so you have already covered this particular topic, software process, and the software process life cycle, different life cycle models. The different models can then you have seen waterfall model and other different models. Okay, so we'll try to cover some of the things. So the second part is regarding the software process. Okay. After that, the course outcome, this already we have seen. Actually, I have revised this course outcome. I will let you know the new course outcome for HMI and for HMI lab. Okay, this is the module wise weightage. I have I kept these slide. Okay, number of chapters, module wise weightage. So ये स्लाइड्स को मैंने हर चैप्टर में रखूंगा so that you will realize कि in each and every chapter you will realize that how much percentage you have covered. Okay, so exam wise weightage is 15% for the first chapter, that is for module 1. For module 2, इससे थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई थी इसलिए. Okay, so the module which we are going to cover is around 20% of the syllabus. Okay, so 20% of the questions may ask from this particular module. Okay, let me have this is the common slide which I've kept here. Okay, the things will be taken from the Alendex and the Kalbandi. Okay, we'll find for the second chapter. I'm talking about the second chapter. You will find from the textbook one, that is Alendex. Okay, and in reference book there's a Kalbandi Kanade, I think Prashant Kanade Iyer. Okay, so Talent's Human Machine Interaction, Willy Publication. Okay, so that book is this one. Okay, ये जो last वाली book है reference book, so we'll be referring from this book also and from Alendex also. Okay, Alendex की the PDF file of Alendex I've already posted on the Google Classroom. You can find over there. But this particular book you have to take from the library. Okay. I have not found this particular book in the PDF format. If you find this book on internet in the PDF format, then please send it to me also. Okay. The last one. Okay, I'm talking about the last one. That is Kalbande Kanade Iyer. Okay, Gallett's Human Machine Interaction. Okay, this book. ये सामने एक स्कल है, उसके अंदर कुछ प्रोसेसर लग रहा है, ठीक है। सो ये बुक है, इफ यू, मैं आप लोग इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गुड सर्फिंग capability and skill, so they can search on a particular website and they can find the PDF book also and they can take it. The first one we have already done. The second one, that is module, that the design and the software process. Okay, so I've already also mentioned that which topic will be there in which particular book. So first two, that is mistakes performed while designing a computer system. So you will find in the Kalbande, then human interaction with the computer. You will find the Kalbande and interactive design basics, interactive design basics, then HMI in the software process. So a lot of topics are there. Okay, so which are there in the L-index. Then recognize the goal directed design process that is in the Kalbandi. So you will find this particular chapter in this two book. Okay, so in this regard, because I'll be taking and I'll be covering from both the books. Okay, and I'll be teaching you people in this particular session. Okay, so we'll be covering from both the things. Okay, so the crux and the things which will be collectively at one place will be this particular recording. Okay, so in recording we'll find both the material. So obviously I'm uploading all these particular sessions on my YouTube channel, and you can go to the channel and you can just look and you can just go through the sessions we have gone through. And okay, at least for revision and at least for going through what we have done today and the previous, because when the YouTube will come, then only you will be, like you will search for the material and for the recording. But still, you just start doing from now on. So I mentioned it for all the chapters in each and every one. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Okay, uh, which is there in the MU syllabus. Okay, Mumbai University syllabus. Okay, mistakes performed while designing a computer system. So basically, this is a very short topic, and this is a very common topic also, because the designer, what the designer and the developer think, they think with respect to their mentality. Okay, if if he or she, the person the designer will not think according to the user's mentality, user's psychology, then what will happen? Something will which will come later. Okay, something will happen which will okay, which is not good for the user also. Okay, and for the designer also, because जहाँ पर designer की reputation का सवाल होता है, because if something is not liked by the users, then obviously it will be disliked by the people. Okay, so what will happen basically? So people will dislike it, and in short, the summary, आपका जो डिजाइनर है उसके प्रोडक्ट है तो वो उतने मतलब के हिट नहीं पाए। तो बेसिकली वहां पर दोनों का मतलब नुकसान हो जाता है अगर कभी डिजाइनिंग के टाइम पे इन चीजों को नहीं देखा। ठीक है, so we learn about that. Human interaction with the computer, how human interact with the computer, that's a very common topic. You can easily say, okay, if I say you, okay, you are the person who sits in front of the computer and I say you that you operate and just open MS Word. Okay, the computer is switched off right now. Okay, not even a spike guard is connected to the socket. Okay, so if I ask you that you have to start the MS Paint, okay, yeah, you have to start Android Studio. Okay, so that's a task which has been given to you. So what you will do? Okay, how you are going to interact with the computer, that's a complete procedure. Okay, so because you're going to first connect it with the socket. Okay, आपका स्पाइक गार्ड का जो है वो आप सॉकेट में लगाएंगे, उसके बाद बटन ऑन करेंगे, and after that you will start your CPU, because you are the computer one. You are the person whose domain is computer. Okay, what about the person who do who is not having any idea, who is the name user of a computer, who does not know how to start the computer. Right now, in this particular days, okay, everyone know how to start computer, how to operate it. Okay, because because of the mobile phones and Android and other platform devices, people are very used to with the computing devices. But still, if the person who has not used the computer system ever before, then what will happen? Okay, is your system, is your computer is in the situation that the naive user can also use it. Okay, ऐसा है आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम कि कोई भी यूज कर सकता है इसको, और कोई भी मतलब कि आके अगर थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी है इंग्लिश की, so they he or she can come and can start the computer and can open the required application. So that's the interaction between the computer and the human. Then importance of human characteristics, human consideration, then human interaction speed. Okay, obviously जिस स्पीड में आप ऑपरेट करोगे, जिस स्पीड में आप ऑपरेट करोगे वो स्पीड में एक नए यूजर नहीं कर सकता. Okay, so that's a comparison. Then interactive design basics, आपके design का process, then design scenario, then design के navigations, iteration and prototyping. These are the steps in the design process. Okay, तो डिजाइन उसके अंदर अलग अलग इटरेशन, अलग अलग प्रोसेस, अलग अलग स्टेजेस होते हैं, तो स्टेजेस में यहाँ पर मेंशन किया. Then HMI is the software process, software lifecycle. As I told you, software lifecycle, usability engineering. Usability is one of the very important one in the software development domain. Okay, because usability is the concept from which the time can be reduced. Okay, we can reduce and we can reduce time in terms of making new modules again, because if we are using the existing module, then okay, I've not shared my screen. I've already shared my screen. Is it now it is visible? I think earlier it was visible, but I think cause it was some issues, so that's why. Okay. So, regarding the software process, software lifecycle, usability engineering, we were talking about. Then prototyping in practice. Okay, prototype is basically a model. Okay, which is being created by the developer in order to show the user that okay, this is the prototype we have created. Okay, ये ऐसा आपका जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल होता है ना, कि जो डेवलपर्स होते हैं, जो बिल्डर होते हैं, वो एक छोटा सा मॉडल बनाते हैं, जो आर्किटेक्चर होते हैं छोटा सा मॉडल बनाते हैं, एंड देन इट इज बीन प्रेजेंटेड टू द यूजर और द स्टेक होल्डर आई मीन टू से, एंड देन they are asked to find the gap in the particular design. Okay, so your model, your building will be like this. Okay, आपका बिल्डर बोलेगा कि आपकी बिल्डिंग तो वैसी बनेगी, ऐसा रहेगा, यहाँ से ऐसा, वहां से ऐसा, हर एक चीज बताएंगे. So that's a prototype, and the process of making and improving in the in the model is nothing but the prototyping. Okay, and then design rational. इसके बाद में design rules, their principles, standard guidelines. So lot of things are there. Okay, just theory. So we'll try to find some interesting thing in this also. You need to recognize your goals. Okay, then goal directed design process. Okay, so goal directed design process, it's a design process basically considering all the goals of the user, what the user is intended to have. Okay, so जो उसके requirements है उसके हिसाब से चलना, that's a goal directed design process. Then evaluation techniques, so a lot of miscellaneous topics are also there, so we'll try to find out some easy. Okay, so I've already mentioned over here for this particular chapter. If you want to refer the Allen dates, then you can refer chapter number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. कुछ यहाँ पर आपको उसका content मिलेगा. Okay. Okay, let us start with the topic, that is what is basically design. Okay. Now your chapter starts now. Okay. So it is saying like achieving goals within the constraint. Okay. So this is a very simple definition of the design, achieving goals, but within the constraint. These are the four words, okay? Achieving goals within constraint. Obviously, the meaning is very simple, that we have to achieve the goal of the design, what we have planned, okay? And the second half explains that whatever constraint was mentioned, so our design is within the constraint only, okay? So it is not going beyond that particular constraint. So the success is not like you have achieved the goal. The success is not like you have achieved the goal, but we have achieved the goal within the constraint. That is the success, I can say. Okay, so this particular statement says a lot. Okay, so achieving goals within the constraint. Okay, and this does not capture everything about the design, but helps to focus on certain things. Like we have some goals also. Okay, what is the purpose of the design we are intending to produce? Okay, so this may be a one goal. What is it for? Okay, so you can consider anything. Okay, whatever you want to consider. So you can just consider a mouse. Okay, this is a wireless mouse. Okay, so this is your design. Okay, so you have to achieve a goal. What is your goal? What is the purpose of the design? This इसका design का purpose क्या है? Okay, you want to make use of the mouse. Okay, you want to move your movement of the cursor. Okay, you want to make the movement of the cursor from right, left, up, down. You want to click, and you want to do a lot of operation from this particular mouse. Okay, this is your goal. Okay, और इसका जो डिजाइन का जो पर्पस है बेसिकली छोटा होना चाहिए, थोड़ी सी हाइट होना चाहिए, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा रेसिस्टिव होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट हैव अ व्हील आल्सो सो दैट यू कैन स्क्रॉल अप स्क्रॉल डाउन. यू हैव अ राइट क्लिक, यू हैव अ लेफ्ट क्लिक. सो ऑल दीज आर द डिजाइन आपका इसमें मेंशन है. ठीक है, then what is it for? Basically for moving the cursor and for using. Okay, why do they want it? For example, if you are designing, okay, this is the example which was there in the book, wireless personal movie player. Okay, so it will be a movie player or a movie, or we can say audio player, which will be a wireless one. Okay, and you can listen, you can have a you can have a connection with your friends also, so you can listen the common music with okay, collectively you can listen. Okay, and then you can share, you can give some quotes also, you can give your comments also. So it's a wireless one. It's a जिसको बोलेंगे हम लोग थोड़ा सा इंटरेक्शन भी हो. तो एक ऐसा अगर कभी डिजाइन करना चाहेंगे तो उसके लिए एक एग्जांपल था. But here I'm taking the example of this wireless mouse. Okay, so we have achieved whether we have after designing, whether we have achieved the goal or not. Whether we have achieved the goal or not. If I have achieved the goal, then I can say this particular design is successful. Okay, so this particular design is successful. Okay, रहेगा 200 ग्राम. Okay, 200 grams are the. Okay, so 200 grams is the weight should not be more than 200 grams. Okay, the size, the height should not be more than, I think, 1.5 inches. Okay, तो आप 1 इंच बोलो या 1.5 इंच बोलो या 1.25 इंचेस की हाइट होना चाहिए, इतनी लेंथ होना चाहिए. And the holdings, the place where I am putting my fingers should not be a plain surface so that my fingers will slip on particular that surface. It should be a resistive place. Okay, surface. And the side view of the particular mouse, this side and this side should be quite resistive so that I can hold it easily. Okay, so these are my constraints. Okay, I'm talking about all these things. Like I have a constraint of this particular mouse. So are these things present in the design what the designer has created? इतना बड़ा माउस है, तो और इतनी बड़ी हाइट है. हाइट कितनी हो गई? फॉर एग्जांपल इसकी हाइट कुछ हो गई अराउंड 20 इंचेस की. इसकी हाइट तो मैंने बोला था 20 इंचेस का. ये मेरे कंस्ट्रेंट में आया नहीं आया कंस्ट्रेंट? सो दिस डिजाइन इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. ओके, तो यहाँ पर उसकी हाइट मैच नहीं कर रही है. उसका उसका जो वेट है इट इज अराउंड 1 kg. ओके, यू कैन नॉट इवन लिफ्ट इट. ओके, यू कैन नॉट इवन कैरी इट. ओके, नॉट ट्रांसपोर्टिंग. और फिर उसकी जो विड्थ है तो वो भी बहुत ज्यादा है. ओके, and apart from that the mouse is quite sleepy. If you just rotate the wheel, okay, if you just rotate the wheel, then my finger will slip. And in order to rotate, in order to wheel up and wheel down, okay, I need more power. Okay, I can do very easily. I can do very easily. Okay, so but if the mouse is quite big, then you cannot even move it. Okay, so these are the constraint which has not been fulfilled. Okay, these are the constraint which has not been fulfilled by the designer or the developer. So will you accept this particular design? You are not going to accept this design. Okay, this is the very common thing. So it was all about the design. Okay, so basically it was a definition. These are the constraint. What standard must we adopt? What standard we must or must we adopt? And how much can it cost? So these are the very general constraint. And the constraint which I have discussed it now, it was the subject specific. Okay, तो मैंने जो अभी आपको constraint बताया वो सारे के सारे इस mouse के related थे. Okay, these constraints are the general constraint. What standard must we adopt? Okay, so this is according to the standard. No, मतलब ये तो है लेकिन जो हम लोग ने आप मैंने जो आपसे बात किया, so that is not according to the standard. How much can it cost? Okay, so for making this particular mouse it cost around 500 rupees. Okay, so 500 rupees is the cost of this particular mouse. So basically it was designed for making this particular mouse. Okay, so second it will cost around 5,000 rupees. Okay, because it carries a lot of lights, mechanism, some kind of wheel, some kind of automations were there, but you cannot, but it was not according to the standard. So standard says that your mouse weight should not be the more than 200 grams. Okay, this is a common standard. So it is not according to the standard, and it is costing around 5,000, which is not again, because usually wireless mouse is around 500 to 600 to 1,000 bucks. Okay, so how much time do we have to develop it? Okay, in order to develop this particular wireless mouse, it requires 1 day only. या 1 day नहीं, 1 घंटे में आपका ये माउस बन गया. ठीक है, but in order to develop that particular huge mouse, okay, जो हमने बनाया इतना बड़ा वाला mouse, so it took around 1 week or 1 month to develop. So again customer match नहीं कर रहे हैं. Are there health and safety issues? किसी के सर पे गिर गए तो, ये अगर किसी के सर पे गिरा तो, और अगर किसी को लगा तो भी कोई इशू नहीं. बट अगर वो किसी के सर पे गिर गया तो, या उससे किसी को अगर किसी ने उठा के मार दिया तो प्रॉब्लम है ना. कोई रहते सनकी रहते, कोई कोई दे देते. सो हाँ, वो तो देखा जाए तो इससे भी अच्छा अच्छा जोर से लगेगा, बिकॉज इसका भी वेट अच्छा खासा है, दूर से भी लगेगा और अच्छा मतलब हैंडी भी है उठा के फेंक के मारने के. हाँ, so in case चलो तो एग्जांपल था. So must we use existing video standard to download movies? Do we need to build them? तो वैसे छोड़. ठीक है. So these are the basic constraint we have mentioned. Okay, or we can have lot of constraint. Okay, so regarding standard, cost, time, safety, these are the general constraint we need to consider and we need to talk while developing any kind of so we can say any kind of what we're talking about design. Okay, so the design of any machine, design of any product, any model. Okay, we're talking. Okay, so basically design is what, the simple definition of the design is achieving goals. Okay, simple definition is achieving goals but within constraint. Okay, so we have to achieve the goal. The design is we have to achieve a goal but within the constraint, whatever constraint, whatever the requirement is it according to those requirement, is it according to those constraint. If it is according to those constraint, then only it is acceptable, otherwise fine. Okay. Okay, the next is, अच्छा एक और कंस्टेंट है, जनरल कंस्टेंट. व्हाट मटेरियल मस्ट वी यूज? ओके, we are making this particular mouse which is made up of plastic. Okay, and if you try to make it with the steel wala mouse, okay, so steel one is अब material change होगा तो obviously it is not according to the standard. So एक और constraint. So of course we cannot always achieve all our goals within the constraint. Okay, obviously because all the constraint cannot be achieved. भाई बोला है कि अब इसको जो है ना इसके अंदर बोला है कि आपका एकदम एग्जैक्टली 200 ग्राम्स ही होना चाहिए, ना आगे ना पीछे. हो सकता है कि आपका ये कुछ ना कुछ आगे पीछे हो गया हो, 202 ग्राम्स, 205 ग्राम्स. बस आपने इन्होंने जो है ना, तो जो यहाँ पर जो व्हील लगाया दैट्स क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, थोड़ा अच्छा है, रेसिस्टिव है, थोड़ा सा महंगा मिला, और उसका थोड़ा सा वेट ज्यादा चला, ठीक है, तो आप एक कंस्ट्रेंट के बाहर चले गए कि आपने थोड़ा सा एक बल्कि व्हील लगा दिया बिकॉज इट इज गुड, और उस बल्कि व्हील को परचेज करने के लिए कॉस्टिंग ज्यादा लगा, तो एक और कंस्ट्रेंट ज्यादा गया। लेकिन आपका कंस्ट्रेंट एक और ये भी था कि यहाँ से जो है ना व्हील डाउन अच्छे से होना चाहिए, तो यू हैव अचीव दिस पर्टिकुलर गोल, ओके। देन आपका आपने मतलब उसके अलावा कुछ और भी आपका अचीव हुआ, यानी कुछ गया तो कुछ आया भी। द सिंपल थिंग इज दैट कुछ अगर जा रहा है, कुछ अगर अचीव नहीं हो रहा है, तो यू आर अचीविंग ऑल्सो, ठीक है, कुछ अचीव नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ अचीव हो रहा है। So of course we cannot achieve all the goals, okay, within the constraint we cannot achieve, but we can do some, some negotiation also. That negotiation is called as a trade-off, okay. The term which is given in your book is trade-off, okay. So perhaps one of the most important thing about design is trade-off, which is nothing but choosing which goals or constraint can be relaxed so that others can be met, ठीक है, सिंपल थिंग है। तो कहीं पर अप्स एंड डाउन बोलते हैं ना, समझ के लो भाई, ठीक है, तो कुछ चीज समझ के लेंगे तो कुछ चीज अचीव होगी, ठीक है। So you need to relax in terms of your goals or in terms of your constraints so that you can achieve another goals, okay, so you can met with the other goals, ठीक है। So this is called trade off। हमारी मुंबई की भाषा में इसको क्या बोलते हैं, कोई बताएगा मुझे? हमारी मुंबई की भाषा में इसको बोलते हैं मांडवली, ठीक है। यानी कि थोड़ा सा तू समझ के ले, थोड़ा मैं समझ के ला, थोड़ा मैं समझ के लूंगा, मेरा फायदा हो जाएगा। मैं कुछ चीजें मेरी मतलब के डाउन, कुछ चीजें अप्स, ओके, तो कुछ अप्स एंड डाउन करके ट्रेड ऑफ कर। Then the next topic is about the mistakes, the common mistakes while performing, which are performed by the developer while designing the computer system. Because exactly we are going to deal with the computer only. Okay, so let us have this thing first. I mentioned a few of the mistakes, okay, which is very common. Okay, still, if you have anything in mind, then you can come up with that. The designer think that all the operation like mouse click, drag and drop, operating uh, operating CPU, okay, and opening any application, okay, any operation, whatever is related to the computer system, okay. So those are performed by them is possible for everyone, okay. So it is not way कि आप अपना इतना easily अच्छे से move कर ले तो alt tab से आप ना तो switching कर लेते हो, ठीक है। So switching is very easy for you because you are the developer, you are the designer, and you can do switching in very fast way, okay. But the people who are the naive user cannot do in this way, okay. They have to go to the आपका जो नीचे तो विंडोज बार होता है, तो वहां पर जाके उस विंडोज को ओपन करके और फिर उनको अपना काम करना। You have a skill that you can just go to the cell if you are working in the Excel, okay. If you're working in the Excel, then you can just control C by copying that particular cell. For copying that cell, you can just do control C, go to the next slide, or sorry, the next Excel sheet, and you will control V, okay. So control C, control V, तो आपने फटाफट किया, so you have a skill, okay. So lot of things which you only can do because you are the savvy user, okay. You're the computer savvy and you are the very expert user, so you can do all this operation in the very good, okay. But you have to think that you have to provide। अच्छा, आप लोग बोलेंगे अभी एक चीज देखो, थोड़ी थोड़ी सी कॉमन है और थोड़ी सी कॉमन सेंस वाली भी है। सो अब अगर हम लोग बोलेंगे कि यहाँ कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल बी से होता है काम, तो आप अपने सॉफ्टवेयर में, जैसे कि हमारा MS वर्ड है, ठीक है। इन MS वर्ड देयर इज ऑप्शन इन द एडिट ऑप्शन, इन द एडिट फाइल मेन्यू वी हैव ऑप्शन कॉपी एंड पेस्ट, ओके। सो ऑप्शन इज देयर, ओके। बट वी नो दैट के हमको पता है, वी आर द डिजाइनर एंड वी पीपल नो दैट कि जस्ट सेलेक्ट द सेल, कंट्रोल सी, एंड देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट शीट एंड कंट्रोल, वी नो दैट। but this thing is not known to the user or the stakeholder। so आप लोग सोचेंगे कि नहीं यार, ये कॉपी और पेस्ट का ऑप्शन मेनू में रखते ही नहीं। अगर कॉपी और पेस्ट का ऑप्शन आप मेनू में रखेंगे नहीं तो क्या होगा कि कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल भी सबको थोड़ी मालूम है, ये तो खाली आपको मालूम है। सो क्या होगा कि बेसिकली जो आपका स्टेक होल्डर है तो ये सफर हो जाएगा, उसको उसको पता ही नहीं। तो बहुत सारी R&D करेंगे, वो बोलेंगे कॉपी का ऑप्शन दिख ही नहीं रहा है MS वर्ड के अंदर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में there is not an option option is not provided for copying the things and pasting it. Okay, so ये उसको problem हो जाएगा. So this is one of the mistake. I'm just giving one example, not exactly, not necessary कि जो example है जो दिया हूँ मैंने example तो as it is okay हो, okay, but it is related. Okay, so the designer think that all the operation mentioned in the brackets performed by them is possible for everyone, but actually it is not possible for everyone the way you are doing this particular one. So it is not necessary that it will be performed by the name user also. Okay, the first point. Second point, they assume that end user is a skilled person. खड़ाक से alt tab switch control C alt tab से वापस से और फिर control V. So the person is the skilled person and will understand all necessary actions. So we have to assume that the user is the dumb user, the user is the name user, and he or she does not know anything about the MS Word, and you have to provide like you have to spoon feed each and everything whatever is required. Developers think exactly what is being built. Okay. Um, Actually, while designing any product, while designing any model, while designing any software, okay, so there are a lot of things which has been executed in the developer's mind, okay, and in accordance with this particular thinking, so he or she assume and he she build the product in this way only, okay, but that actually is not a good idea to develop or to build a product or a software, okay. सो वॉट एवर जो भी वो सोचेगा, ठीक है, जो भी वो बनाएगा उसके उसके बारे में सोचेगा, तो उसकी जो मेंटालिटी है सो दैट इज ऑन द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, बट ये मेंटालिटी और यही जो सोच है ये हमारे यूजर की नहीं. I've not completed the statement, but I've written in the very short. So whatever is thinking, whatever the builder is thinking or the developer is thinking, so it is not exactly the mentality of the user also. So there is a difference. So this is one of the mistakes we can consider. Challenges are not solved while developing the system and may cause failure in the use. Challenges are not solved while developing the system. जब सिस्टम को बनाएंगे उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं, तो चैलेंजेस को हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं करते हैं. चैलेंजेस को हम लोग यानी उन प्रॉब्लम्स को हम लोग रिमूव नहीं करते. चैलेंजेस आर नथिंग बट द प्रॉब्लम्स और द डिफिकल्टीज which arise while designing the software or while designing the product or while designing the model. Okay, so for example, एक एग्जांपल, आपकी बाइक है, बाइक इज वन ऑफ द मशीन. ओके, बाइक इज वन ऑफ द मॉडल और अ प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सो आपने जैसे ही बाइक का स्टैंड उठाया, बाइक में स्टैंड होता है, आप साइड स्टैंड पे लगाते हो, तो साइड स्टैंड आपने हटाया, तो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन, ओके, समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन, वी, एक सेकेंड, हेलो, मैं लेक्चर में सर. ओके, तो हम लोग कभी साइड स्टैंड पे से गाड़ी हटाते हैं तो साइड स्टैंड वापस से नीचे गिर जाता है. ठीक है, सो दैट्स अ वेरी डेंजरस थिंग. ओके, बिकॉज अगर गाड़ी चलते में अगर वो साइड स्टैंड आपका ऑटोमेटिक निकल के रिलीज होके नीचे आ गया, सो यू कैन मेट विद अ बिग एक्सीडेंट आल्सो. सो एक चीज है जो कि चैलेंज है, एक डिफिकल्टी है गाड़ी. ओके, उसको डेवलपर ने अगर ये सोचा कि चलो ये कभी कभी हो रहा है या हो नहीं रहा है, ये कभी 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 थोड़ा हो जाता है, अगर इस डिफिकल्टी को उसने उस टाइम पे, I'm just giving you an example in order to understand this particular topic. ठीक है, तो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग की लेवल तक लो इसको, but you can apply it in any other way also. सो अगर कभी आपका जो डिजाइनर है उस पर्टिकुलर बाइक उस पर्टिकुलर मोटरसाइकिल में था कि इफ ही थिंक दैट के हाँ भी तो कभी कभी आ रहा है, सो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. ठीक है, उसको करके उसने छोड़ दिया. सो और भाई साहब यहाँ पर आपका यूजर, आपका स्टेक होल्डर बाइक ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, बाइक लेके जा रहे हैं, और मीन वाइल उसका स्टैंड नीचे गिर गया, स्टैंड उसका नीचे आया, वहीं पे स्पीड ब्रेकर आया, तो the things can be so dangerous. So these are the different challenges. I mean to say, these are the different difficulties which arrive while developing the software, while developing the product, while developing the model. Okay, so these difficulties, these challenges has to be solved. Okay, while the developing phase only. Okay, if it is not solved properly at that time only, then what will happen, may cause failure in the use. तो यूज करते टाइम पे आपको फेलियर मिलेगी, एक एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, ठीक है, वो एक्सीडेंट इतना भयानक भी हो सकता है कि भाई साहब की जान चली जाए, ठीक है. सो challenges and difficulties has to be tackled properly while developing the model. Okay, so these are the mistakes performed while designing the computer system. So we are talking about the computer system only. So you can think in accordance with that also. Okay, but I've just given you the example related to the model. That's the bike motorcycle. These are general observation which are as follows. The developer expect people to think like computer, which is not possible exactly. Exactly, which is not possible because the developer mentality and the user mentality is different. Okay, so जो वो सोचेगा वही सोच से आपका यूजर नहीं सोच सकता. ठीक है. So these are the observation. Developer ask user to perform difficult operation. उसको बोले भाई, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, कुछ ऐसा ऑपरेशन आपको उसको बोलो, उसको बोलोगे आपके माई कंप्यूटर का आपने आइकन ही दिया नहीं, उसको बोलेंगे माई कंप्यूटर ओपन करो. वी ऑल नो दैट कि आपका विंडो और ई अगर आप साथ में प्रेस करेंगे तो आपका माई कंप्यूटर ओपन होगा. ठीक है. बट द यूजर इज नॉट हैविंग एनी आइडिया अबाउट दिस शॉर्टकट. ठीक है. So if you will not provide any proper uh, we can say interface or proper uh, icons to the user, then how it will open that. Okay, how he or she will open that particular my computer application. So basically ऐसे हम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने के लिए बोलते हैं जो कि उसके लिए डिफिकल्ट है. हमारे लिए सिंपल है, हम लोग जैसे ही कंप्यूटर आया अपने विंडोज डी आप प्रेस की तो विंडोज डी प्रेस कर आपका माई कंप्यूटर ओपन हो गया. मैं ड्राइव पे क्लिक किए, कंट्रोल एफ मारे, अपनी फाइल सर्च किए, फाइल ओपन कर विंडो लॉट ऑफ शॉर्टकट बिकॉज वी आर यूज्ड टू नाउ. सो हमारे पास बहुत सारे शॉर्टकट हैं. तो developer asks user to perform the difficult operation. Users are ignored. Okay, basically while designing this software or model, the users are ignored. Stakeholders are ignored. This should not happen basically because if you do this thing, then what will happen? While in the use or while in the जब इसको use करते हैं, so at that time it may cause any failure. It may cause any dangerous failure. Okay, which is not acceptable at all. So these are the different mistakes. So let us see what we have done. The last slide which I've added, I think time ho gaya hai. Still, the golden rules of a design is understand your material. Example मैंने दिया था steel chair और wooden chair. Okay, so if you imagine कि steel chair कैसी होती है, एक बार अगर सोच लो माइंड में, और एक wooden chair कैसी होती है. Obviously, the weight of wooden chair is more than the steel chair. स्टील चेयर के अंदर जो लेग्स होते हैं बहुत ही मतलब बस नॉमिनल होते हैं, लेकिन स्टील के होते हैं. जो वुडन चेयर है थोड़ा बल्की होती है बट क्वाइट थोड़ा रेसिस्टिव होती है, रोबस्ट होती है, वो अच्छी होती है. सो फॉर ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर इंटरेक्शन द ऑब्वियस मटेरियल्स आर द ह्यूमन एंड द कंप्यूटर. सो दोनों के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड कंप्यूटर्स, अंडरस्टैंड पीपल, दोनों को समझना है. अंडरस्टैंड कंप्यूटर, देयर लिमिटेशन, देयर capacities, their tools, their platform, each and everything. Understand people, psychological, social aspect, human error, so everything you need to consider about the people also and for computer also. So the golden rule which is given is understand your material. This is the golden rule of a design. Okay, you will remember this also. Okay, sometimes this question is asked in the Viva also. What is the golden rule for design? So basically, it is to understand the materials, to understand your product material. Okay, so this is just an example which has been given like steel chair or wooden chair. But as we are in the human machine interaction subject, so we will be considering the two things like computer and the people, and we'll think computers के limitation, then capacities, then tools, and then platform. And for people, psychological क्या सोचता है, social aspect क्या है, human errors कौन कौन से आ सकते हैं, so that we need to think. Okay. So what we have done today, we have gone through the design. Okay, the very simple definition is achieving goal, but within the constraint we have to make it possible. Okay, so these are the goal. These are the general constraint. We can take an example. We can put this particular constraint, and then of course there is a one word that is trade off. Okay, Obviously, we cannot achieve all the goals which are given, which are mentioned, but actual we can relax a few of the constraint and we can meet few other constraint. Okay, तो कुछ छोड़ के कुछ हम लोग achieve कर सकते हैं. That is the इसको बोलते हैं negotiation और मांडवली. Okay, that's a trade off. Then these are the mistakes while designing the computer system. So your developer or the designer used to have these particular mistakes mentioned. और उसके बाद में फिर ये सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन है, उसके बाद में ये बोलना. ठीक है. सो आज के लिए इतना काफी. रिमेनिंग थिंग्स रिगार्डिंग दी